Hello everyone, in this tutorial we are going to talk about sorting of data in result set. So for sorting, we normally use order by keyword and this can be implemented on one or multiple column. And whenever we are just going to use this order by keyword, then by default it sort the data in ascending order. So in this tutorial, we will see three things. First, we will see the query to sort the data. Second, we will see how to sort the data in descending order. And third, we will see how to sort the data in ascending order. So let's get back to the SQL yoke. So first, I'm just going to write query to retrieve complete set of data from the country table. And here we can see inside the column name, then the name of the countries are not coming alphabetically sorted. Or if we are going into the continent, then again it is not coming alphabetically sorted. So for that, if we are taking name column and we are just trying to arrange the data alphabetically sorted with the name of the country, in that case we will write order by and the column name. So here I'm selecting name column, and if we are just going to execute this query, then we can see that the complete set of data inside this name column is sorted alphabetically, and here the data is retrieved and sorted in ascending order, means A towards Z. Now if we are just trying to sort two columns at the same time, so there is one criteria. We should select the first column which is going to have more number of duplicate data into the column. So here if we are going in these two column like continent and name, then we know that country name is going to be unique and continent name might be repeated for each of the country. So in this case, I'm just going to take the first criteria of sorting on column continent, and the second column that I'm just going to use is name. So here what will happen, first it will sort the continent column, and then suppose there are 10 or 20 countries coming into the Asia continent. So first it will sort the continent like Asia, Europe, North America, and these will be sorted in ascending order. And whatever the name of countries coming related to this continent, those will again sorted in alphabetical order. So let me execute this query. Might be the data will show a big impact. So let's execute it. Here we can see that Asia continent, then we are seeing Europe, then North America, then Africa, Oceania, Oceania, Antarctica, South America. So this is the sorting order implemented on continent table. But the data is being repeated number of time. Now we are moving into the name column. Here we can see that all the data those are related to Asia, means the country name those are going to come inside this Asia continent is sorted in alphabetical order like Afghanistan, Armenia, then Cambodia, China, then India, Iran, Iraq, then Kazakhstan, Macau, Malaysia. So here we are seeing that first ordering is implemented on continent column, and the matching sorting is happen on name column. Now the case arises how we are just going to sort the data in ascending and descending order. So here I'm just going to use name column again and going to write DESC. It means it will arrange the data in descending order, means Z will come first and A will come at the bottom. So let's select and execute it. So here we can see that Z is starting at the top, and the bottom we are going to see the A country starting with alphabet A. Now if we are just trying to sort the data in ascending order, then we can directly use this, or we can just write ASC. So select it and execute it. So here the data is sorted in ascending order. So we will meet in next tutorial. Thanks for watching.